Hey folks, welcome back to the Living Fugular channel. This is our DP. Today we're going to replace the valve cover gasket on a 2009 Saab 95. So these are the tools we're going to be using. We're going to use a 3-inch ratchet, a T27 X bead, and a T40 X bead. We're going to also use in a 1/4 extension. It will be 2 inches. We're going to be using an adapter, and as well a power drill we're going to be using to do that job. Okay, let's go ahead and do that. So we just removed the direct injector cover, and we're checking to see if there's any fluid. So we saw there's some fluid, so we're gonna remove at least 18 heads bolt to get the job done, so we can get the cover off. But one thing I forgot to mention, we also use an 18-inch long flathead screwdriver to pry open the cover. So that's what we're doing right now. After we pry it open, we're gonna have to, so I'm gonna get the camera close so we can show you how much fluid that is coming out with the gasket being leaking. So now we're going to open the cover so we can get so before we get the cover off, we have to make sure that all the hoses are off and they are unhooked. So we just unhook them. Now we're gonna remove the cover and get the gasket off. We just remove the covers. As you can see, all those black things that you see are the gasket. So we just speed up the video so we can move the process. So now this is the cleaning process that we are cleaning with a green towel. We remove most of the heavy oil dripping that was on the cover, and then we're gonna be using a pink towel to finish up with the job. So as you can see, the video is moving pretty fast, because that was at least 45 minutes of cleaning. So now we're just bringing the pink towel so we can finish up the job. We now do the cleaning nice and clean. Make sure that we remove all the motor oil that is in between the gasket chamber. So we're gonna apply the new gasket. So we just open the new gasket package to make sure that the gasket fit into the new gasket fit into the cover. So we're gonna measure and make sure everything fits properly. So we have the outer gasket and also the inner gasket. So this is the inner gasket that we're trying right now. So we make sure that it fits. So we put everything to the side so we can apply the gasket into the engine component, and we're gonna use a at least like a few bolts to hold the gasket into place, so when we put the cover on it can stay in place. So we're gonna move everything to the side, make sure that everything is clear so we can apply the cover. So we just apply the cover with the gasket. So we're gonna try to put in all the bolts back into place. It's a very tedious job. Make sure that every bolt fit into the hole of the gasket, and also the hole of the cover, and also the engine block. So now we try to tie everything back together the way it's supposed to be. So we're gonna have the now to put everything back the way it's supposed to be, I use the power drill to screw in the bolt just pretty much loosely, and then I use the ratchet, the 3-inch ratchet, to torque everything back into place. And now I'm applying the direct injector cover into place and using a screwdriver to screw it very loosely and then torque it to. Thank you for watching, folks. This is our DP with the Living Fugular channel. We just demonstrate how to replace your gasket cover on a 2009 Saab 95, and remember to subscribe to this channel.